Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. I'm Alex and thank you so much for joining me here for another one. So let's get right into it. This video I'd say is my actual Halloween set for the season, even though this video is just a little late, it's fine. I'm starting off with some sunscreen. I'm using these tips that I got from Amazon. Per usual, I will do my best to link everything that I can or that I remember to down in the description below. So I already did all of my nail prep, filing, buffing, all that off camera. I'm just starting with a dehydrator. I'm going in with also a primer, both from Modelones. I'm using this nail glue from Beetles. Just going in first with a thin layer before I cure for, I think, 60 seconds. And then I'll go in and apply the tips. Alright, I'm going to use this flash cured lamp to attach the nail tips. I'm going to go in and paint a little bit of the nail tip, and you leave a little glob of glue at the end. And I'm just going to start at the cuticle and push down until the glue reaches the end of my nail bed. I'm doing the same for all. I am flash curing in between each nail, and then once all 5 nails are on, I go in for a big cook in the big lamp for about 60 seconds or more, however. Alright, all the nail tips are on. I'm now going to go in and just clean up the cuticle area. I'm going to use my e-drill to just buff off or file off any extra glue and try to thin out the edge of the nail tip. Not the edge, the base of the nail tip where it meets my cuticle, to thin it out so when it grows out it blends a bit more seamlessly. I'm still perfecting this technique and trying out different drill bits for this. Alright, here they all are, all buffed and filed. I'm going in with this base gel. You don't really need base gel for nail extensions, but I'm using it to kind of smooth out the nail tips before I go in with any polish. I'm going in with my tried and true trio for a nude base. I go in with all 5 nails, but I really only should have went in with 3 nails, the pointer, the middle, and the pinky, because the ring finger and the thumb I end up painting fully black anyways. But I was in the zone, I forgot what I was doing. All 3 of the this is not my tried and trio. I'm using 2 of the same polishes that I normally use, both from Shein, and then I'm going to go in with a different polish from Beetles that I find that I just like the undertone a bit better for the nude. And then in between, I'm not showing it all, but in between the gel application, I'm cleaning up with just a nail brush and some alcohol. Here is that Beetles color that I've started using as the 3rd color to the trio to get a nice nude base. I think I just tried this out one day and I've kind of just stuck to it instead of the other color that I normally use from Shein. Alrighty, here's the black polish that I used for both the ring finger and the thumb. It's also from Beetles. I'm using this cat eye gel polish that I got from Shein. It's purple, but if you don't have colored cat eye, you can definitely go in with a regular silver cat eye. And then because I go over top this cat eye with a purple glass jelly anyways, a glass jelly polish, so you'll see later on when I cover it. This nail here is actually supposed to be like a ghost ghost nail. I honestly can't tell if other people can tell that they're ghosts just because of the way I did the shapes. The blooming gel had the blobs like spreading out faster than I anticipated, so I kind of just like panicked and cured because they were spreading out more than I wanted them to. I wish I would have redone this one just so that I can get the shapes a bit better. I'm using that same black polish to create the little eyes in the mouth. Yeah, see, I can't tell if it looks like a ghost or just like, I don't know, like polka dots or something. But they're supposed to be ghosties. Oh, and I'm just using this little, it's an itty bitty dotting tool that I got from Beetles. It came in a set, I'm pretty sure. So I'm going over this design with a purple glass jelly from Born Pretty. I actually did a short of these. I swatched the entire collection from this. It's called Neon Garden Ice Jelly Polish, I believe. Alright, and for the pinky, I'm going in with this drip design. I just start with like 3 dots of where I want the drips to end, if that makes sense. And then I kind of drag it up towards the cuticle so I can connect them all so that, you know, it looks like it's dripping down from the cuticle anyway. Alright, once the base of the drip is done, I'm going in with the cat eye. I pretty much do this for the majority of the designs because I wanted there to be a reflection in the back. I must say, in this video, I'm still like a newbie or a beginner at cat eye, so I haven't quite figured out how to get like the velvety look, if that makes sense, of the cat eye. But since then, I have improved. Because in the coming weeks, I have another design where I do cat eye again, and it looks so much better, way more reflective. So I'm gonna go over this cat eye. I'm gonna make it reflective as best as I can, and then go over that again with the purple glass jelly to, you know, match the other nails. Okay, for this nail, it's actually, what is this? This one is the spiderweb design. I'm going in with the same base, black nail polish. I'll go over that with the cat eye and then the purple jelly polish. And then I'm going to use a silver, like gunmetal painting gel to create the spiderweb design on the French tip. I know once this video comes out, it's way past Halloween, but I hope everyone had a great Halloween. I didn't do much. What did I do? Oh, I watched Coraline with my younger sister and the dogs. I didn't pass out candy because my dogs, they just won't allow me to like keep opening the door constantly, and then the doorbell would bother them. So I just had a bucket of candy outside so the kiddos can get candy if they want. And then my sister and I watched Coraline. Yes, we watched Coraline, and we also got, I think, Chick-fil-A. I had a good Halloween, even though I don't really do much. So I hope you guys had a good one as well. See, this is a good representation as to, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just trying things out until it hopefully looks good. This one, I did the same design on both hands, same exact order and everything. This nail came out way darker than what I wanted it to. I did a much better job on my right hand. Okay, so to get the most straight line as possible, I'm using a long liner brush. This is actually from Shein. I think I like these brushes more than the ones I got from Beetles, honestly. I think they just, maybe they're a bit thinner and they glide easier for me. I don't know. So I'm going in creating the lines, and then I'm going to use a shorter liner brush to create the little curved lines in between the long lines, if that makes sense. But you'll see here, a shorter brush do the little curved lines. Alright, this is actually, I think, like the next day. I did my nails over the course of 2 days. I tend to start them like late at night, like either on like a work day or like on a Sunday, so I would have to work the next morning. So this is definitely the next day because I ended up painting my other hand and stuff too. Alright, going in with the same cat eye gel. I'm doing the same thing for this as well as the thumb. Alrighty, I'm using these disposable palettes to do the neck design. I'm gonna put out some black, all the base colors, black, the cat eye gel, as well as purple. I'm going in and I'm creating the bat design. I don't know what happened. I think my camera might have cut off or I ran out of space on my phone. So I didn't record me drawing like the rest of the bat. But here I'm going in with a dotting tool to draw the head. It took a little minute. I redid this head like maybe 4 or 5 times before I got a shape that I actually liked. And ready, I'm using a short liner brush to draw the little ears. So cute and dainty. Alright, here I'm deciding what charms I want to use on the middle finger and the thumb. I was indecisive here. Is that Jesus on the cross? Oh my god. I did not see that. Yo. This is Jesus. Can y'all see? It's Jesus on the cross. I will not be using that. Jesus does not need to be on my nails. Absolutely not. That's crazy. That's real crazy to have Jesus on your nails like that. Yeah, girl. I just don't see a time where having Jesus on your nails makes sense. Maybe just for me. I don't know, but that was crazy. So I ended up going with this cross with no Jesus. There's no Jesus on it. This cross design, I don't know, I kind of just feel like it fit the vibes, you know? Because I put a little mini cross on this finger as well. I'm just attaching it with this Macart rhinestone glue. And I don't know if I show it if I was recording, but I attached the bigger cross on my thumb using the Gen B, Gen B thick. I show it in a second here. This is what I used to affix the bigger charm. I just didn't show it. And then I'm going over the two charms over that with the top coat to prevent it from tarnishing. Like just very natural wear and tear, washing hands and stuff. And then finally we are top coating. I'm top coating with the Beetles Top Coat. I still haven't bought the Yogo Zombie Top Shell. I have it now, but I didn't have it when I was filming this video, so you'll see it real soon. Alright y'all, here is the finished set. I didn't get too much close-up shots. I completely forgot, honestly. So here's a video from my Instagram. Check out my Instagram for more pictures. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.